Click on the I button on top to watch part 1 of the Adjective series. This is the second part, where we discuss the different types of adjective. Let's get started. First up, we have invariable adjectives. These are adjectives that do not change form for gender, masculine or feminine, or for number, singular or plural. One group of invariable adjectives is color words derived from nouns like rosa, meaning pink, from rose. Naranja, meaning orange, from the fruit. Violeta, meaning violet, from the flower. Café, meaning brown, from coffee. Vino, meaning wine colored, from wine. Another group is multi-word color expressions. Azul claro, meaning light blue. Verde oscuro, meaning dark green. Azul marino, navy blue. Amarillo pálido, pale yellow. We also have loanwords from English. Una película cool, a cool film. Una chaqueta vintage, a vintage jacket. Un yogurt light, a low-calorie yogurt. Una pizza extra grande, an extra large pizza. Here cool, vintage, light, and extra are words taken from the English language. Also keep in mind that you may hear plural forms of some invariable adjectives in day-to-day speech, but not use it formally. Next up, we have demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are used to show where something is in relation to the speaker, using words like this, that, and those over there. Let's go through them. Este, esta, this, estos, estas, these. Ese, esa, that, esos, esas, those. Aquel, aquella, that over there. Aquellos, aquellas, those over there. When talking about unknown things or general ideas, Spanish uses the following demonstrative adjectives. Esto, this. Eso, that. Aquello, that over there. Here are a few examples. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Esto no me gusta. I don't like this. Eso es lo que quiero. That's what I want. ¿Recuerdas aquello? Do you remember that? Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are question words that come directly before a noun. There are three main interrogative adjectives in Spanish. First is ¿qué? Meaning what or which. It is invariable and is used to ask about a thing or choose from a group. For instance, ¿qué música escuchas? What music do you listen to? ¿Qué parte no comprendes? Which part don't you understand? ¿Cuál or cuáles? Meaning which. These are used to ask someone to choose from a noun or implied group. For example, ¿cuál libro quieres? Which book do you want? ¿Cuáles son tus zapatos? Which ones are your shoes? A quick comparison. Use que when there is no specific group or list in mind. ¿Qué película quieres ver? What movie do you want to watch? And use cuál when choosing from known options. ¿Cuál película quieres ver? Which movie do you want to watch? Lastly, we have cuánto, cuánta, cuántos, and cuántas, meaning how much or how many. These change to match the gender and number of the noun. Take a look at these examples. ¿Cuánto dinero tienes? How much money do you have? ¿Cuánta agua quieres? How much water do you want? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Literally, how many years do you have? ¿Cuántas personas vienen? How many people are coming? At number 4, we have possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show who something belongs to. There are two types of possessive adjectives in Spanish, short form and long form. Let's start with the short form. My, mi for singular, mis for plural, your. Tú, tus. His, her, its or your formal. Su, sus. Our. Nuestro, nuestra. Nuestros, nuestras. Your as a group. Vuestro, vuestra. Vuestros, vuestras. Their or your as a group informal. Again, we have su, sus. These adjectives change to match the noun they describe. Singular forms are used when talking about one thing, while plural forms are used for more than one thing. Nuestro and vuestro forms also change for gender. Let's look at some examples. Mi amiga es médica. My friend is a doctor. Mis profesores son muy estrictos. My teachers are very strict. Tu vecino me llamó. Your neighbor called me. Su colega habla chino. His or her colleague speaks Chinese. Vuestro jardín es más grande que el nuestro. Your garden is bigger than ours. Second is the long form possessive adjectives. These mean phrases like of mine, of yours, of his, of hers, or of theirs, and are used to place extra emphasis on who owns something. These forms also change to match the gender and number of the noun. Of mine, mío, mía, míos, mías. Of yours, tuyo, tuya, tuyos, tuyas. Of a his, of her, of his, of yours formal. Suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Same is for of theirs, of yours group formal. Suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Nuestro and vuestro forms are already in long form, so they don't need to change. These forms change to match the gender and number of the object being possessed. Let's look at some examples. Una amiga mía es médica. A friend of mine is a doctor. Unos profesores míos son muy estrictos. Some teachers of mine are very strict. Un vecino tuyo me llamó. A neighbor of yours called me. Una colega suya habla chino. A colleague his or hers speaks Chinese. El jardín vuestro es más grande que el nuestro. The garden of yours is bigger than of ours. Notice that vuestro and nuestro keep the same pattern as before. Don't worry, we've almost reached the end. The last type of adjective is indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives are used to talk about people or things in a general or non-specific way. Some of these adjectives are invariable. Let's go through a list of indefinite adjectives with their examples. Algún, alguna, algunos, algunas, meaning some, any. Algún día lo entenderás. Someday you'll understand. Cada, meaning each, every. Cada persona es diferente. Each person is different. Mismo, misma, mismos, mismas, meaning same. Ella es la misma de siempre. She's the same as always. Mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas, meaning a lot of, much. Tengo mucho trabajo hoy. I have a lot of work today. Otro, otra, otros, otras, meaning other or another. Quiero otro café. I want another coffee. Poco, poca, pocos, pocas, meaning little, few. Tengo pocos amigos aquí. I have few friends here. Tanto, tanta, tantos, tantas, meaning so much or so many. Hay tantos coches en la calle. There are so many cars on the street. Todo, toda, todos, todas, meaning all, everything. Todo está bien. All is good. Varios, varias. Meaning several. Tengo varias ideas en mente. I have several ideas in mind. Buen trabajo. Good work. I hope you're proud of yourself for making it all the way through. Keep practicing. Adios.